This is the Bell UH-1B Huey kit, 1/72 by Italeri. I'm going to go with Italeri till somebody corrects me. Anyway, here's the clear parts. Here's the instructions. This thing is tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Here's the build instructions. Not sure if this is above my skill level or not. If it is for now, it'll have to wait till later. There's the decals. There's one sprue. These parts are small, very small. Some of them really, really small. But some people like that. You never know till you try. So I guess at some point either I'll never build it or I'll try it. Pretty sure I'll try it. Anyway, I'm trying to zoom in on some of the parts on the sprue. Gotta get some olive drab paint, but I need it for a B25 Mitchell anyway, so painting some of these parts, I'm gonna have a hard time cutting off the sprue. I have to be very, very, very careful. Very careful. So there it is, all its glory. Oops. Got my coffee cup and so forth in the picture. Oh well. All right. If anybody else builds this, let me know.